Shortcut keys in Tally. The purpose of doing this video is the same function key but different combination are used for different purpose and for remembering while working on Tally application. In Tally, single underline means Alt is the additional key used with the key displayed, and double underline means Control is the additional key used with the key displayed in the screen. Function key F1 to select company, Alt F1 to shut company and to display detailed or condensed report in all the report screen. For current date, F2. For current period, Alt F2. F3 to change existing company while working. This will work only when multiple companies are loaded. To select statutory and taxation features from company feature, Alt F3 to go for company info menu. Contra voucher function key F4. Purchase order voucher Alt plus F4. Payment voucher function key F5. Sales order voucher Alt plus function key F5. Receipt voucher function key F6. Rejection out voucher Alt plus F6. Rejection in voucher Control plus F6. Journal voucher function key F7. Alt plus F7 for stock journal. F8 for sales voucher. Alt plus F8 for delivery note. Control plus F8 for credit note. F9 for purchase voucher. Alt plus F9 for receipt note. Control plus F9 for debit note. F10 for reversing journal. Alt plus F10 for physical voucher. Control plus F10 for memorandum voucher or memo voucher. F11 for company features or Tally features. F12 for configuration. Alt C to create a master at a voucher screen or voucher window. Alt plus D to delete voucher or a master. Control M, this will switch back to main area of Tally screen. Control N for calculator. Control A to accept a form. When this key combination is used, that screen or report gets accepted as it is. Control T, mark a voucher as post dated. Control L, mark a voucher as optional. Control V, this is a toggle between an invoice and voucher mode. For copy, Control plus Alt plus C. For paste, Control plus Alt plus V. To take the print, Alt plus P. To export the report in ASCII format, Excel format, HTML, PDF or XML, Alt E will be used. Alt L to change the language. For help, Alt plus H. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. Happy learning.